What's up, guys? Sean for JohnMcNeil.com here, and today we're going to actually have a little bit of fun, and we're going to be talking about Patreon. And if you don't know what that is, I'm going to explain it to you here, and I'm actually going to show you how you can actually get paid with Patreon and give you some real-world examples of some people that are literally crushing it with this platform. We're starting right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. So for those that don't know what Patreon is, it's basically a business platform, a membership platform for creators to actually have like a website, much sort of like a blog or like even a YouTube channel. And these creators provide exclusive content to their subscribers or their fans. So basically anybody can be a creator. It doesn't really matter like what niche you're in or what genre you're in. It basically just boils down to your talent, your skill set, what do you have to give to the community. So some examples of Patreons are like filmmakers, podcasters, people that make music, writers, artists, people that are within education, dance, science, gamers. I mean, you name it. If you have some content that people are interested in, they are willing to pay you on a monthly basis, you can actually start accruing a lot of money. And so as I was out doing some research on some Patreon folks, I found a couple of websites that I wanted to just kind of show you guys. So the first one I wanted to show you is this Patreon called Amanda Palmer. She's actually a singer. And you can see she has a little over 11,000 Patreons at this point. And you can see if you wanted to become a Patreon, they basically kind of set up different tiers of things that you get in order to become a Patreon. And it starts off with like $1 per thing. And then you can get the description of what you get. But essentially, she's a singer. She's probably providing, music. And then the higher level of commitment that you actually spend, the more things you get. So as you can see here, for $10, you can get a web chat. She'll mail you something in the mail for $25, all the way up to like $1,000 if you actually wanted to like sit down and have dinner with her, right? Let's look at another one. This guy, Brian G. Johnson, you guys may know him. He's a prominent YouTuber right now. So he has a Patreon account. You can see at this point he has about 34 Patreons, and it's saying that he's making about $538 a month. So Brian G, he actually kind of started his channel and went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers, I want to say within 12 months. And now he's probably closer to 50,000 subscribers and just growing at a rapid pace. And as you can see here, he's basically charging $19.95 basically for access to detailed step-by-step, training and tutorials, probably on how he blew his YouTube channel up in such a small period of time. A lot of behind the scenes footage that you can get, how he sets up his studio, just content that he wouldn't share on his normal YouTube channel. You could become a Patreon and find out all of this stuff for $19.95. So let's look at another one. I can't pronounce this name, but it's like in a nutshell, they create science animation videos. Look at this, guys. I mean, they have nearly 12,000 Patreons, right? And they have different tiers here, but their lowest buy-in is $2 per month. So that means they're making at minimum over $23,000 per month providing whatever this content is. So whatever it is, there's a niche for it and people are loving it clearly. And even at the lowest level of $2, if we just took the $2 mark, and I'm sure they have higher levels, they would be making over $23,000 per month. Absolutely insanity. Let's do another one. This is called SNS. This is a podcast, and they do a podcast about real crimes that have actually happened. It's really popular. And they have over 17,000 Patreons, and their lowest buy-in is $5 per month, which would bring them up to, do my math, I think it's $85K Almost $85,000 per month, guys, for a podcast. It's absolutely insane. If we actually clicked on like some of their other levels, we would probably see that they have tons of different levels of support. And the higher you actually pay, the more things and content that you get. So it looks like it goes up to like $50 per month. Here is CGP Grey. He's a YouTuber. I'm not really totally sure what type of content this is, but basically it's saying that he gets $1 per video. It looks like, I guess according to his Patreons here, he's making nearly $20,000 per video, which is absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely insane. And then here is this as a doctor, is Dr. Jordan B. Pearson. He has lectures on like psychological stuff. And he's basically an educator and has 9,800 Patreons, and his lowest buy-in is $5, which is $49,000 per month. I mean, when you think about the opportunity that people have in this day and age to generate income online, it absolutely blows my mind that, you can have a skill set, you can have knowledge, and you can take that knowledge, you can take your skill set, your talent, and you can bundle it and you can put it out there to the world, and people are paying for this stuff, guys. So, I mean, if you have, a talent, if you are good at something, consider Patreon as a source of income. If you are a digital marketer, if you have a YouTube channel, you can create videos, exclusive content. You can put maybe all your products into your Patreon account and maybe charge people a monthly fee to get access to all your products and all your future products. This is just an excellent way that any creator can basically take this platform and start making a substantial amount of money, as you can see these people are doing here that we kind of reviewed today. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this kind of enlightened you guys to other things that you can do in order to generate, income online. And if you want to know how I personally generate income online, go to the link in the description. I have a free marketing system for you guys that you can kind of plug into and start generating income and learning how to do affiliate marketing from scratch. Make sure you leave a comment under the video. Let me know what you think about Patreon. Did you guys know about this? Do you guys have any ideas? Leave it in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm talking to you, baby. I miss you. Crazy.